Christmas, don't you know? There's lots of lovely snow. It's Christmas, don't you know? There's lots of sticky snow. So don't fall down and break your head. Then you'll have to go to bed and miss your chance to ride on Santa's sleigh. It's Christmas, don't you know? There's lots of cash to blow. It's Christmas, don't you know? And no more gardens grow. So eat your soup, it's good and hot. Don't you know you've got a lot of presents sitting under the Christmas tree? Christmas, don't you know? Kiss under mistletoe. It's Christmas, don't you know? I like the mistletoe. So jump for joy and wake up right now that Mom's turned out the light. In the morning, Mom cannot believe those greedy bastards open them Christmas Eve.